What's up guys, welcome to Apex. Thanks for tuning in. We have received a brand new update for Samsung's Reminder application, which brings in some new changes and improvements. As you can see, the change log, this is huge, and we've got a huge list of features mentioned over here, and the version number is 12.5.00.30. Now these features are also available on the version number 12.5.00.27. Maybe there are some minor improvements with this latest version we have got, and these changes may be available only on the One UI 6.0. I'm not sure about that. Now if you're running on One UI 5.0, do let me know whether you have this latest version and whether you have got all these new features in the changelog or not. Drop a comment. Now let me just quickly read out all these changes and improvements we have got. It says improvement of list screen design, possible to access categories on the main list screen, provision of automatic no alert place classification, possible to check repeated reminders that have not been completed in today's category, possible to edit before saving when creating a reminder in another application, possible to attach photos through the camera, possible to register reminders for past dates, possible to register all-day reminders as repeated reminders, provision of notifications for all-day reminders, improvement of sorting of completed category, display of date created. Now some of these features are already available on the previous version of Reminder application, so I'm sure that you would have seen all these features or some of these features in the previous version. Now let's go ahead and take a look at some of these important features which we have got. I will briefly tell you what has changed with this all new update. Let me open the calendar application. As you can see, the entire layout has changed here. We have got this categories right here on the top, and you can see these tiles here which are showing these categories over here. This is the latest version on One UI 6.0, and this helps us access all these categories right here on top through these tiles. And when I scroll down, even this list screen looks pretty good now. You can see the past reminders and date-wise reminders here which are categorized here right below these tiles. Now let me create a reminder here. As you can see, we have got this icon here, the camera icon, using which we can also take some pictures and attach it for the reminder. I can just tap on this icon. It says take picture, select an image. If you want to select an image from the gallery, you can do that. I can just tap on done, and this image has been selected, and you can create a reminder for this using this particular image. Now again, this feature was there earlier as well, but for some of you guys this may be new, or if you didn't know about this, this video will help you understand what are these features all about. Now let me cancel this. Now the next one is registering the reminders for the past date. Now when I try to create a new reminder, let's say I select the time here, I'll be able to select the previous date as well. Let's say I want to select yesterday's date or a week ago. I'll select a particular date here. I can select the time here. I'll tap on enable the date and time. I'll create the reminder and tap on save. Now this reminder has been created for the past date. As you can see, the reminder for 19th October has been created. Now this may be useful for some of you guys. If at all you want to remember something of the past date, you can create that as a reminder here. Next one is the ability to register the all-day reminder as repeated reminders. Let me tell you what I'm talking about. Let me just create a reminder here. I'll select the time. Now here the time is selected. Now here when we enable all-day reminder, we get to select these options here. 1 day from now, 3 days from now, 1 week from now, 1 month from now. So I'll be able to select the repeat reminders for this particular date when I enable all-day reminder. Next one is the classification of no alert reminders. Let's say you have created a reminder which has got no alert, or if you're not set any alert for that particular reminder, that will be separately categorized. As you can see at the bottom, I have got a no alert category here, and I've got one reminder which has got no alert. So this has been separately categorized here in this list. Next one is display of dates created. So each reminder will show the created date right below that. As you can see, we've got date and time information available right here below this particular reminder here. Next one is some improvements in the sorting of the completed reminders. When I tap on this three dot button, you can see we've got hide completed reminders or show completed reminders. When I tap on show completed reminders, it's going to show me all the completed reminders in the past. The entire list will be available right here, and I will be able to hide completed reminders by tapping on this. You can see we will see only the active reminders in this list. Now these are some of the new improvements and changes on Reminder application. Many of these features you would have already seen in the previous version itself, and if you're on One UI 6.0, all these features will be available. So let me know whether you have got this on your phone or not. Drop a comment and share your thoughts about the Reminder application. Do you use the Samsung Reminder app or any other third-party reminder application? Drop a comment comment and let me know. That's all I want to share with you guys. Thanks for watching. If you haven't subscribed to the channel already, go ahead, hit the subscribe button and give this video a like if you find this video useful. Thanks for watching. My name is Salian signing off. Cheers. Bye-bye.